Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So good morning to all, and the time is right now is about 0500 hours morning. So guys, I am staying in a hotel of Vizag city. You can see the scenario from the top of this hotel. The greenery and the location where I am is a very attractive place. You can see, you imagine how beautiful it is. So guys, I'm loving it and experiencing. So guys, after this I'm going to explore this city. Now I am out with my friends with my bike, and this road is known as RK Beach to Kailasgiri road, and the another way to reach Kailasgiri from the ropeway where you can see the blue shed, and the ropeway is directly connected to the Kailasgiri. And now I am in the Tenant Park where a beautiful and attractive greeneries. You can see guys the trees which is very beautiful and attractive. And guys, this location, the beach where beautiful photography view, and there is a decommissioned ship which harbored nearby. So guys, after that I am here nearby the RK beach where the submarine is harbored for the museum purpose, where the visitors and the tourists come here to explore the submarines and this submariner's life. And guys, I am going to explore this submarine and share my feelings with you, how the submariners stay there and live their life. And look guys, I am going inside the submarine. This is submarine, how the submariners stay in there, that inside, and how they live their life. It is very critical. As you can see guys, I'm not able to stand properly because of the less space. So you can imagine how the submariners stay there, and you can see the medals, and this is a bunk where submariners stay and sleep there. You can imagine how wasteful life they live. They spend their life in these sleeping pills. Guys, it is not easy to stay there, and these are various instruments like pressure gauges and lots of instrument. I'm not aware of all the things because I'm not a submariner guys. So guys, imagine how the submariners stay there and live their life. And this is the space of toilet and wash basin. You can imagine guys how less space it is. You can't spend their life. And this is the end of this submarine guys. And after this is the view of RK beach. Guys, I'm going to explore this Kailasgiri from this route. And guys, this is the submarine where I have already explored, and this is the submarine INS Kushara. And that is also the aircraft museums. I have not visited there, but make sure I will definitely visit that place again when I will come there. So guys, stay with me to explore the Kailasgiri, a very beautiful and adventurous place. So guys, I'm very excited to explore. So guys, I'm on the way to the Kailasgiri. Stay with me guys. I am on the way of Kailasgiri. You can see the view from the hill of this Kailasgiri. And now guys, I am here. Welcome to the Kailasgiri. This is the place where I want to visit. I'm very excited because this place is very crowded because the Lord Shankar and Parvati statue is here, and this is a very spiritual place. And now guys, that is some adventurous activity place like bungee jumping, ropeway cycling. So guys, I am showing you a picture where a person is cycling on the rope. Look guys, that is the person who is cycling on the rope. Guys, I'm also very curious to explore and experience this ropeway cycling, but unfortunately I have reached that place at the end of closing. Bad luck guys. So guys, this is the end of my Kailasgiri exploration. So hey guys, we are roaming in this Vizag city, and hi, this is my friend. ये शॉपिंग मॉल है ना? Yes. CMR Fashion. Don't mind my hair are little messy. We are on the way for RK Beach, and guys, he is so intelligent man. See, literally after coming to conference, I am giving him motivation. You can do it. You can do it. So
I'll let him
Okay,
go for the
and
visit
listen.
to beaches
And I am not motivated by him motivation
because he's a bloody fool.
I am a fool and fool are so sweet.
We are going for a long drive, bro.
Now we have reached our destination, which is RK Beach.
It's not our
Raja
destination.
Krishnan.
Our destination is Rishikonda Beach. So we are going for a long drive. So let's get ready for it.
You have to be in mind that we have to reach before 10 p.m.
Okay. No issue. We will.
We will now.
Yeah, we will.
On the way, guys, you can see what a marvelous palace. This palace name is Gurdwara Palace. Gentlemen,
No, gentlemen.
we are
Only
not gentlemen. Only
He is conference out and me
skin
skin out.
out. So after this rejection, we are coming on this beach, at this beach, for releasing our stress.
Very much stress.
We have lots of stress. And guys, now I am at Rishikonda beach with my friend and I am capturing this mesmerizing view. You can see the waves of ocean and the coolness or calmness of this beach. You can see also the cleanliness of this beach. Here is my friend who is waving his hand. So guys, he is my friend. You can see the coolness of this weather. So this is the Vizag city logo, which is nearby the Rishikonda beach, and after that exploration we are here in the nearby market, which is a street food market. It is spanning over 1.5 kilometer area, and now guys, here we have take our dinner. It is about 10 p.m. So guys, we are still out and
See, this is
we
the
are
fucking port area.
so we are following Google map and now finally we reached our home. Thank you so much guys for watching this vlog.